Welcome to SEO ProPreview. Today, I'll show you how to use our SEO ProPreview tool at Scriptstone. This tool is part of our comprehensive toolbox designed to help you optimize web pages by analyzing title tags, meta descriptions, URL, and keyword density. We've put a lot of care into making these tools to simplify your work, save time, and keep you organized. If you like what you see, sign up for our software for even more productivity tools. Let's start with the title tag section. Here you enter the title of your web page. A good title tag should be between 50 to 60 characters. Let's enter a few examples. First, let's try a title that's too short. I'll enter portal. As you can see, the character count is 6 and the feedback says too short. Next, let's try a title that's too long. I'll enter all-in-one portal solution for comprehensive business management and collaboration. The character count is 83 and the feedback says exceeds limit. Finally, let's enter a title that's just right. I'll type Scriptstone all-in-one portal productivity solution. The character count is 53 and the feedback says within limit. As you can see, our tool provides real-time feedback on whether your title tag is too short, too long, or within the recommended character limit. This helps ensure your title tags are optimized for search engines. Next, let's move to the meta description section. A good meta description should be between 150 to 160 characters. I'll show you examples of a too short, too long, and an ideal meta description. First, let's enter a description that's too short. I'll type best portal. The character count is 11 and the feedback says too short. Now, let's try a description that's too long. I'll enter. Our all-in-one portal solution offers comprehensive business management and collaboration tools, streamlining your operations, improving productivity, and enhancing team communication with features like real-time messaging, task management, and performance tracking. Our portal is designed to meet all your business needs in one place, providing a seamless user experience. The character count is 374, and the feedback says exceeds limit. Finally, let's enter a description that's just right. Our all-in-one portal productivity solution provides comprehensive business management and collaboration tools, enhancing productivity and team communication. The character count is 158 and the feedback says within limit. Similar to the title tag, the tool provides instant feedback on your meta description length, helping you stay within the optimal range for search engines. Now, let's enter a URL. It's important to have a clean and readable URL. I'll show you examples of a good URL and a bad URL. First, let's enter a bad URL. I'll type www.scriptstone.com, page 1, DE123. The feedback says invalid. Now let's enter a good URL. I'll type https www.scriptstone.com toolbox ProPreview. The feedback says valid. Our tool checks the format of your URL to ensure it is correctly structured and ready for search engine indexing. The SEO Validation Status section provides visual indicators for your title tag, meta description, and URL. Green indicates compliance with best practices, yellow indicates adjustments needed, and red indicates non-compliance. Let's add some keywords related to our all-in-one portal solution. I'll add 5 keywords: portal, productivity, and Scriptstone. First keyword: portal. Second keyword: productivity. Third keyword: Scriptstone. You can see the keywords listed here. You can easily add or remove keywords as needed. Next, let's look at the keyword density analysis. This section shows the percentage of each keyword in your title and meta description, along with the count and recommendations. For the keyword portal, in the title it's 16.67% with a count of 1 and the recommended count is 1. In the description, it's 5.88% with a count of 1 and the recommended count is 2. Combined, it's 8.7% with a count of 2 and the recommended count is 3. For the keyword productivity in the title, it's 16.67% with a count of 1 and the recommended count is 1. In the description, it's 11.76% with a count of 2 and the recommended count is 2. Combined, it's 13.04% with a count of 3 and the recommended count is 3. For the keyword Scriptstone in the title, it's 16.67% with a count of 1 and the recommended count is 1. In the description, it's 0% with a count on 0 and the recommended count is 2. Combined, it's 4% with a count of 1 and the recommended count is 3. The analysis provides insights into how often each keyword appears and whether it meets the recommended count. Colors indicate if the keyword is not present in red, below the recommended count in yellow, within the optimal range in green. Let's take a quick look at the search engine previews. This section shows how your title tag, meta description, and URL will appear in different search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and others. As you update the fields, the previews update in real time, giving you a clear view on how your content will look in search results. Finally, the resources and insights sections provide additional information and links to help you improve your SEO knowledge and stay updated with industry trends. And that's our SEO ProPreview tool. It's designed to help you optimize your content efficiently, ensuring better search engine performance and higher visibility. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at Scriptstone. Happy optimizing.